Alright, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're out with Ferrari of Austin. We got invited by the Exotics Network. We're going to be helping these guys out, basically filming and getting some drone shots for them. It's going to be an absolutely insane event, so be sure that y'all stick around to the end. I'm going to show y'all a few of the cars right here at the dealership before they leave, and let's get on to all this craziness. I did not know we were gonna get one of the Aventador boys here today. We got Sang with his white Aventador. Not sure if anyone else is gonna be showing up, but it's so cool that we got an Aventador V12 in the house. All right, check it out. Right here we have a Ferrari 488, then we have a white 296, we have a Ferrari California, and then the star of the show right here, we have a absolutely insane Ferrari SF90XX. Basically has some really crazy louvers right here, has a really crazy air intake basically coming in from the front hood. And then we have the absolutely insane massive wing out back. Yeah, this is such a crazy car. Y'all let me know y'all's opinion on this car. It is so much better than all the new Ferraris that they're actually coming out with. Then right here we have a Ferrari 599, I believe that is, or California, but I think that is a 599. Then right here we have another one of the cars that I forgot the name of. We have a really crazy Ferrari FF right here, I believe this is. And then we have a Ferrari 458, a really clean classic right here. We have another one of the cars that I said I forgot the name of. And then we have a Ferrari 458 in white. On the other side, we have a black Ferrari Puro Sangue, another one of the red cars, or the Ferrari Romas. There you go. I literally just remembered the name. And then we have a blue Ferrari F8, black 296, another California, and then a SF90. This is the regular SF90 for the street. And then we have a Ferrari, either an FF or... Y'all let me know what the name of these are, because I know there's another name for the FFs, the bigger and longer ones. I think they're...
What? What the fuck? Please, no! 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 No!
Oh, whoa, never mind. I forget I said that. But then we have a Ferrari right here, super clean one. We have such a nice lineup of cars, and then we have more supercars that are not Ferraris over there on that side. So I'm gonna show y'all those real quick before we actually head out of here, because I do believe in a little bit we are gonna get on the road, and we're gonna be riding in the back of some cyber trucks today. So we're gonna capture all the craziness for you guys, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Alright guys, so right now they're trying to squeeze Sang into the back, because all the cars that are basically not Ferraris, they have to park them all up right here on the back side, because I'm guessing Ferrari is kind of strict. They only want their cars up front of the dealership, and these are all the cars that are going to be rolling in the back of the pack. But it's still some super crazy cars. I literally did not notice that we have a new Ford GT way back over there in the back. Let me show you all the cars that we have right here, but our brother Sang is struggling to squeeze through. Aventadors are so damn wide. They're having to literally squeeze every single car outwards, or push them outwards, just so that the Aventador can squeeze through. Check it out right here. We have a Ferrari 308 Quattro Valvole. At least that's what it says on the badge. If it didn't have that badge, I definitely would not know what kind of model Ferrari that is. But we have an Aston Martin Vantage right here. This car looks so crazy. Then we have a gray 458. I'm guessing they couldn't park this Ferrari up front up with all the other ones. And then we have a 600 LT in this sand color. And then we have a Ferrari, goddamn, there's no way I just called this a Ferrari, but we have a Lamborghini Technica in a really clean gold color. And then right here we have a Ferrari California in red, a Porsche GT3 in blue. Then we have a black Lamborghini Huracan Spider with an SVJ style wing. We have a gray McLaren 720, and then we have purple Huracan right here, a Ferrari 296. We also have a brand new Ford GT. We have a Ferrari FF. I believe that's what they're called, or GTC Port Lusso, I just remembered. And then we have Sang with his Aventador parking up in the back. But yeah, that's basically all the cars that we have right now for this absolutely insane rally. So be sure they all stick around. It's gonna get even crazier right now.
events makes us look poor.
True. With what?
Said everything about these events makes us look poor. He said this makes me look poor. I said all of this makes us look poor.
Nice shot to the Century Way.
Oh, well, it looks like what's the highway, but you never went to Orlando.
This is the perfect car we could have right now.
Look at those palms.
I'm gonna post these and say we took a trip to California.
I know, I'm feeling it.
Damn. Bro, where are we, bro?
There.
Hello. Oh, he said goodbye.
Say hello again.
Want some help?
All right, you guys, so we just rolled in with Ferrari. It was an absolutely insane drive. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the speeds that we're going because we're in the back of a Cybertruck, but it was a super crazy drive. We basically got to get a few flybys and a few shots of the front of the cars, like basically of us being in the front of the rally, capturing all the craziness. Right now, I have my drone up in the air. I got all my stuff set up right now so that I can get some footage for you guys and for the Exotics Network. So be sure that y'all stick around. There is a whole variety of cars here, so it's gonna get really crazy. And then from here, I think we do have a final destination after that we're gonna drive to. So yeah, be sure that y'all stick around because it's still gonna get even crazier. Alright guys, so I know I haven't really showed a lot, but we basically got on the road after the lunch stop, came to this drag strip, or airstrip I should say, because it is a airstrip where a whole lot of jets are and helicopters inside of that hangar. But they just told us that the SP3 is going to be racing on the drag strip. We're going to get some insane flybys of that car real quick. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to film for you guys, but I'm going to try my absolute best. I'm going to throw my drone up in the air and capture some shots of that car passing up in the air. Golly, even the Ferrari SF90XX is going to be going. This is going to be wild. Alright guys, it looks like we're having a really crazy lineup of cars that are going down. We had the noisy F1 458, a few F12s I believe, and then an absolutely insane white F12. We got another 488 right there. There's gonna be a whole lot of really crazy cars. The SP3 just came back. They did, I'm not sure if it was the SP3 or the SF90XX, but one of them did a really crazy burnout over there. And yeah, all these cars flying by sound absolutely insane. So we're gonna get a few flybys of these guys and hopefully y'all enjoy. Bro, that classic car that took off right now. God damn, dude, today's cars sound absolutely insane. Alright guys, so we just finished with that group right there. That group was pretty damn crazy. This one was definitely the loudest, but right now we're gonna have all the cars that are not the Ferraris, which includes Sang's Aventador, the Ford GT, the Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, I believe the Aston, and that Huracan. I'm not sure who else is gonna be running in that group, but this group is gonna be pretty damn loud and crazy, so I'm gonna try to get as close as I can to the side of the drag strip so we can see this craziness. Oh my god! Dude, that crispy downshift. Oh, Ford GT just slammed down into race mode. That was sick. Jesus Christ. These cars sound so good. That was the best sound in the world, I swear to God. In a V12 from a Lamborghini, they do it best. And Sang driving it, golly. God damn. Because of Sang, I missed the Ford GT. Come on. Ain't no way they're doing the Cybertruck. That thing's a big old tank. Alright guys, so right now I think they are doing the very last group. We got this Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, the yellow Aston, the purple Huracan, and then I think that's the noisy F1 Ferrari 458. The Ford GT, I do believe, is going to be running it again, and this super beautiful Huracan STO. Bro, the Ford GT is in race mode. Holy cow, that's gonna be one crazy group to listen to right now. gonna drag race the big old helicopter that's way down over there, as y'all can see, flying this. They're gonna take them out on the drag strip.
Tighten up, please, tighten up.